At YJT, we are dedicated to enhancing household health with high-quality phototherapy instruments and physical therapy solutions. We aim to build strong partnerships with brands and businesses on major cross-border e-commerce platforms, ensuring that our exceptional products meet the needs of families worldwide. With 19 years of experience, we have established ourselves as a leader in the home health sector. Our commitment to integrity, responsibility, and innovation has allowed us to stay ahead of industry trends and consumer demands. Our extensive export experience, reaching over 150 countries, including North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and beyond, positions us as a reliable global partner for brands and businesses. Our state-of-the-art industrial park, spanning over 60,000 square meters, is equipped with industry-leading EMC laboratories, 10 automated production lines, and advanced SMT mounting, soldering, and quality testing processes. We hold certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 13485, C, FDA, CFDA, and RoHS, showcasing our dedication to quality and safety in every product we create. We offer comprehensive customization options, including color, logo, private molds, and new functions, with our reliable after-sales support, featuring a 1-year warranty, as well as return and exchange policies. We ensure that your sourcing experience is seamless and worry-free. Our dedicated team consists of over 350 employees, including 50 qualified engineers and 20 experienced R&D specialists, all united in our mission to innovate and deliver top-quality products. YJT, dedicated to improving health for millions of families.